I drive a Golf Mark 6R. You offer stainless Deadset kit for it. I've read about stainless, aluminum, brass material. Why did you choose stainless? So
that was a good one.
So this product is designed to lock the factory subframe in place. The factory subframe has bolts in big slotted holes, and so this allows you to tweak the alignment a little bit. Specifically, you can even out the camber from side to side by sliding the subframe around. We did not invent this product, but it's a well-known product and it's a much-needed product. So we came out with our own version. We use stainless steel because the entire purpose of this product is to hold the subframe in place. Stainless steel is an extremely hard, strong, and dense material, and it will hold the subframe in place better than any other material. Certainly better than aluminum or brass.
One huge problem we ran into with some of the Mark 6 cars
specifically,
was some of the brass or aluminum or any of the softer inserts would deform as you were clamping them up, and they would start grabbing the threads on the bolts. That material would then shave off and go up into your into the threaded portion in your chassis or in the frame rails, and then that would effectively on some cars, if they were like a TTRS, for example, have captive nuts in there, and it would actually rip them right out of the body.
So this is actually the reason we came up with this product, is because
pretty detrimental.
In our service run, we had several instances where these brass ones galled and caused damage to the frame rail, and so we just went on our CNC machine and machined some up just to get these cars out on the road. And spawned a whole product.
We had to. In case you're wondering, Audi's answer for that is you need a new body in white. That's literally how they fix it. They will not touch anything else. It's like, you just need a new body.
Now the Golf R is a steel subframe, frame.
It's different on the other cars.
The TTRS is aluminum.
The TT and the TTRS is
so there's thread, helicoils inside the frame, the aluminum frame. So I don't believe that there's a better material than stainless steel for this. This material just needs to be hard, durable, strong. Needs to resist deformation of any kind. As you know, aluminum, brass are very soft materials. Brass is specifically a material that people use. There's brass hammers and there's brass jaws you can make, specifically because it's soft. So I don't know the logic behind using any other material. To us, it's like, you use stainless steel. I mean, we would use titanium or something if it made sense, but stainless steel is a cheap, affordable, the perfect material for this job. There's really not a lot of debate around that. So I'm not sure how these other companies arrived at that material, but that's our position. Real ETA on ignition electrical